everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Plymouth Satellite. This is a beautiful car, guys. Love the color combination, and it is factory. It's the factory dark green metallic with the factory Citron gold interior. So very cool color combination. Car's gone through a complete body up restoration. Very nicely done. Original 361 V8 engine with a factory 4-speed. Really nicely done. Car's got 8,000 miles on the restoration total, but there's a lot of brand new stuff on the car. Stuff done within the last couple of years. Gentleman I bought it from just completely went through the suspension. I think he said he put a new fuel tank in it, but he upgraded the front and rear suspension. It's got Wilwood front disc brakes and everything on it. Good car. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks, just a couple little things on it to pick at, but very nice. New bumpers. The chrome and stainless is very nice. Slick dark green metallic paint. All brand new interior. That's all new legendary interior. It's one of those cars, the more you walk around it, the more you like it. Touch up mark there. We've actually got a paint pen for this car too. We'll be able to touch that up a little better. Look how nice those bezels are. Nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the 15-inch chrome Magnums. I've driven it a couple of times. Hits the road great, shifts out good. It doesn't have a big monster gear, so it doesn't come screaming out of the hole, but I'll tell you what, you get rolling down the road and jump into it, this thing runs strong. Did Wilwood front disc brakes. Again, original 361. They've upgraded it now. They put a mild cam to it, some things like that. So it's not bone stock. Electronic ignition, 4-barrel carb. You can see it's got a stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Aluminum water pump. Factory radiator with shroud. Look how nice it's detailed underneath the hood. Again, factory 4-speed manual transmission, upgraded to Wilwood disc brakes, electronic ignition. There's your fender tag. As always, I post a photo of it on the website. That dark green metallic is pretty. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Couple little wear you can see on it. Factory chrome mirror. Looks like new door handles. Door rubbers are new. Door seams are nice and clean. You know what, guys? They bought these new. and they've dyed them. They come in white and they come in black, and they just didn't prep those. They didn't prep those properly, so I'll have Ed pull those back off. Both sides are doing that, and you actually got to be prepped before you dye them. Wiltsie's down here will make up the dye for us. So factory bucket seats with center console, 4-speed, wood wheel. Headliner looks good. Dash is nice and clean. Showing 82,837. That is supposed to be the original miles. AM radio, it doesn't work. He did not put a radio in it. He said he's not a radio guy. I'm the exact same way. Factory T-handle shifter. Dual exhaust. 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear axle. So no big monster gear. Definitely something you can cruise. Look at all the little cracks and crevices. This car was painted really nice. They just did a really good job on this car. A bunch of receipts on the resto. That all goes with the car. Clean underneath. As always, there's photos of the underside of all our cars on our website. We encourage you to go there. Really encourage everybody to call us right now because of all the fraud out there. Again, same thing. I'll have Eddie redo those. We only make those in black or white, then you gotta buy the dye, but it's very important that you prep them properly. You can buy the seat covers. Obviously, this is all new stuff from Legendary, and it comes in the color. But they only make the door pads, not door pads, an armrest in 2 colors. Console is real nice. I love that factory T-handle shifter. I figure someone's just gonna fall in love with this little 4-speed. Again, hits the road real good. You can hear that little cam working. Nice and smooth. Like I say, shifts out good. It's a real good car. One of my favorite body styles. I just love these cars. 67 is my favorite, but I love the back. I like the boxy look of them. I'm gonna have to check the fuel gauge. So temp gauge is working. Voltmeter's working. Oh, it's got fender mount turn signals too, those work. Good sound. No on the radio. He said he never hooked it up, it's just in there. The fender mount turn signals work though, Nathan. Yeah, they work. Pretty cool. I like that option. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Pretty car right there. Love the color combination. Good sound. Sounds like a Mopar should. day, guys.